Hello again, and welcome back. This is Steel Pinnings back one more time. And today I'm going to see if I can get this on camera. This is one of them Russwins I was working on. And I figure I'm going to have to do something with it, so I might as well get it on camera before it gets modified. And we'll see what we can do with it. I'm going to try my 50,000s homemade. And my Peterson's gem, and we're gonna see what she holds in store for us. I might try my good grief, sorry. My 15,000s come up. Yeah, it's just gonna need to be even thinner, huh? Alright, then we're gonna try the new Sparrow's Dent. Sorry. Trying different picks on it to see a different feel. This is that new dent from Sparrow's. One, two, three, four, five in the back. Work my way back. Feeling along for another binder. Always get that one right up there underneath the tension wrench and it messes me up. Wound up dropping a few. See, I thought we had it. You know what? I'm gonna go with the bottom of the keyway. Something that stays out of the way. We're gonna try that again. Number one, two. Gotta click out of two. Three. Four. Five. And I'm gonna work my way back and see if there's any that need to be nudged into place. And try that other new Sparrow's Tron. It's got a little bit more reach to the tip. A new Tron. I think it's number 5 in the back giving me a hang up. The tolerances on these Russwin isn't bad at all. There it was. It was number 5. See, and I was over there playing with all the other ones. Yep. Teach me a lesson, won't it? Alright. Let's zoom back out. And this is the stock Russwin. There really isn't a reason to gut it, but I'm going to go ahead and do it anywho. Just because I like to. Need to work on my gutting skills. How's that? Pander down to it. And we'll take them off in the back. See, everybody's got these little screwdrivers now. I got mine. It's a Kershaw knife company. Came with one of the knives I got. It was kind of neat. Had a whole set of stars with it individually, so that was really cool. So I got a whole set of stars now as well. And I had the one I had before, so I have the gray one here with my Phillips in it, and I got my standard slotted in the red. Kind of neat, huh? I know. Oh, to the tools. Oh, to the tools. Let's see if I got a better follower. Yeah. Alright. Key pins are up. And we'll give her a push. And this is a lot like that other one where every pin needed to be picked. Let's come in a little bit so y'all can see. Kind of made it where every pin needed to be picked. Let me go ahead and put this here into. Boy, I know what they mean by looking through the camera lens. Everything's different. And they lost a pin. You can see the amount of wear that's on them pins too. And that was a little wafer on top of that one. So number 1 and number 4 had wafers. Alright. Probably another reason why that one flew open, huh? It didn't fly open. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And you know, Trekmaster said he had some keys, extra Russwin keys, and he said he needed some G keyway bests, and I have some G keyway bests, and maybe we can work out a little trade for some. And there's the spool in number 1. Another wafer in 2. Oops, that spool up there. Spool in number 2. Spool in number 3. And 4. And 5 looks like a standard. It's a nice little lock. I guess short the master wafers. Personal opinion, I don't like master wafers either. So that's what we have there for this little lock. Let me go ahead and zoom again. See if we can bring some better lighting to it. There we go. Alright. Goodness. I guess it's just not gonna get the best. There we go. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh, no, not 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4 were spools. 5 was a standard. There were 3 master wafers within, and all the key pins down on the bottom are standard. Nothing is done to the core. Nothing is done to the housing. Basic Russwin lock. Nice to see that they keep up all of the spoolies in there. And I appreciate y'all joining me on this. Sorry it took so long. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And please keep it safe. And always keep it legit. Until we meet again, peace.